Hey everyone, today I'm diving into the intense political drama unfolding within Zimbabwe's ruling party. Zanu PF, former independent legislator Themba Maliswa has some serious concerns, and trust me, you'll want to hear what he has to say. Alright, let's start with the basics. Zanu PF, the party that's been in power since Zimbabwe's independence, is currently experiencing a huge internal shakeup. Mary Maliswa Chikoka, recently elected as the provincial chairperson for Mashonaland West, is on a purging spree. She's targeting her rivals to solidify her power base, and things are getting messy. One of the big names caught in this turmoil is Biwell Mbiri, the Zvimba District Coordinating Committee chairman. He backed a losing candidate in a recent election, and now is facing accusations of incompetence, disloyalty, and abuse of power. These accusations have led to chaotic scenes in meetings, highlighting the deep divisions within the party. But here's where it gets even more interesting. Themba Maliswa has warned against the resurgence of the Gamatox faction. For those who don't know, Gamatox was a faction that supported former Vice President Joyce Mujuru's bid to succeed the late President Robert Mugabe. They were purged from the party, but now they're making a comeback, and Maliswa sees this as a significant threat. Maliswa stresses the need for President Emmerson Mnangagwa to prioritize party unity to counter this threat and maintain ZANU-PF's dominance. The resurgence of Gamatox exposes lingering loyalties to figures and ideologies opposed to the current leadership. This internal discord is a challenge to Mnangagwa's authority and the party's stability. And if that's not enough drama for you, there's also a public exchange of accusations involving Mashonaland West Chairman Themba Maliswa and Information Minister Jonathan Moyo. Maliswa has refuted allegations of being a CIA operative and instead accused Moyo of the same. Analysts believe this is all part of a larger power struggle within the party, especially with the December Congress approaching, where the issue of President Robert Mugabe's successor will be a major focus. Themba Maliswa's warning isn't just about internal party politics. He's urging ZANU-PF youth chairperson Tinamuda Machakaire to focus on his duties and avoid divisive politics. Machakaire has been denouncing Vice President Constantino Chiwenga, who's seen as the front-runner to succeed Mnangagwa. Maliswa's advice: focus on your assigned duties rather than engaging in divisive politics. The constant power struggles and infighting within ZANU-PF are not just a party issue, they have national implications. These internal conflicts divert attention and resources away from crucial areas like economic development, social welfare, and good governance. As long as ZANU-PF remains preoccupied with its internal divisions and securing its grip on power, Zimbabwe's overall development and the well-being of its citizens will continue to suffer. So, what's next for ZANU-PF? Will they manage to overcome these internal conflicts, or are we looking at more chaos on the horizon? Only time will tell. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more updates on this unfolding story. See you next time.